Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Chronicles. I am Aishwarya and this is episode 2 of Crochet for Absolute Beginners. In this episode, we will be learning how to make a slip knot. What is a slip knot? A slip knot is the fundamental way to attach your yarn to your hook. As discussed in episode 1, I will be using a 4.5 mm crochet hook and a weight for acrylic yarn. I am using Ganga Desire in this particular video. You can now take out your skeins and hook so that we can learn along. It's a simple step, just be attentive and you will be good to go. Let's start. Now, take your two fingers like this and take the end of your yarn. Place it over your two fingers as shown. Now, wrap your yarn around your finger like this. Bring it over to form a cross. Now, remove your fingers from within and you will have a loop. This loop has two parts. One is the smaller end and the other end is connected to your yarn ball or skein. We will be pulling this particular end in the next step. Now, insert your fingers and pull the longer strand which is connected to your yarn ball and pull. This will form your knot. Our slip knot is now ready. Now we will be attaching this yarn to our hook. Take your hook and insert it through the ring that we have just created and pull. Our yarn has now been attached to the hook. This is a crochet slip knot. Let's have a closer look once again. Take these two fingers, wrap your yarn around your fingers as so. Wrap it like this to form an X. Now, remove your fingers and you have a loop. Now, take your fingers inside this loop and we will be pulling this particular yarn. This is the longer strand and it is attached to your yarn ball. So take this and pull. Your slip knot is now ready. Now take your crochet hook, insert it into this ring that we have just formed and pull. Your yarn has been attached to your hook and now we are ready for the next step. Now bring your yarn and hook and let's try together. Now we have the yarn in one hand and in the other hand we will take these two fingers and we will wrap this yarn around our fingers as so. This will form a cross. Now remove these two fingers from within. We have a loop. Now as you can see, this loop has two ends, a shorter end and a longer end. This longer end is connected to your yarn ball. Our loop looks something like this and we are holding it in place with the help of our thumb, like this. I hope your loop is now ready. Now, insert your fingers into this loop and pull the longer strand which is connected to your yarn ball. Let's look once again. We will be inserting our fingers like this and we will pull this longer strand which is connected to the yarn ball. Pull as shown. This is your slip knot. Take your hook and insert it into this loop. And now simply pull these two ends to tighten it around your crochet hook. Your yarn has now been connected to your crochet hook. Practice making a slip knot at least 15 times. Practice making it at least twice or thrice a day until you're comfortable making it without looking at the video. It looks a bit complicated, but once you understand the method, it is very simple to make. In the next episode, we will be learning how to make a crochet chain and how to hold your crochet hook and yarn. Until then, keep practicing and see you soon. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any other queries or confusion. Bye bye. Happy crocheting.